If you want to turn Google Chrome into a clean, distraction-free full-screen experience, then Kiosk mode is exactly what you need. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kiosk mode in Chrome step by step so you can launch a web page in a locked full-screen view with no tabs, no address bar, and no extra clutter. This is perfect for presentations, digital signage, demo stations, classrooms, or any situation where you want Chrome to open directly to one website and stay focused there. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is find your Chrome shortcut on your desktop or in your taskbar, then right-click it and choose Properties. This opens the shortcut settings, where you can change the command Chrome uses when it launches. Once the Properties window is open, look for the Target field. This is the line that tells Chrome exactly how to start. Click inside the target box, go all the way to the end of the existing text, and then add a space followed by the Kiosk command. For example, you can type --kiosk, then a website URL like https://google.com. So the full ending should look like this, --kiosk https://google.com. If you want Chrome to open a different website, just replace Google with the page you want displayed. This part is important because Kiosk mode will automatically launch Chrome directly into that site in full screen mode. After you've added the command, click Apply to save the change, then click OK to close the Properties window. Now all that's left to do is double-click the shortcut you just edited. As soon as Chrome opens, you'll see it launch in full-screen Kiosk mode, with the web page displayed without the usual browser interface. That means no address bar, no tabs, and no visible controls, which gives you a much cleaner presentation style setup. If you need to exit Kiosk mode, you can usually press Alt and F4 to close the window, depending on your system settings. So that's it. You've now learned how to use Kiosk mode in Chrome using a simple shortcut edit. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a huge difference when you need a browser window that stays focused on one page. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what tech tip you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.